Hey guys, as promised, here is the flip for bites and stings. So, what do we need to do? This is just a syllabus, so for some of you that may be overthinking it, all we need to know is how to manage it, and then we need to explain the nature of the identified medical condition. Bites and stings is pretty simple. So, we've got management techniques. There are four. So, you've got pressure immobilization, so basically we're putting a bandage around it, remembering that we're bandaging from the site upwards, especially like our arm, for example. You're going to try and put it in a sling if you can, or keep it immobile. Cold compress, otherwise known as an ice pack, vinegar and hot water. They're the four ways that you can manage a bite or a sting. You just have to know which bite and stings go for which treatment. Let's discuss. So pressure immobilization, okay? The bandage compresses the tiny lymphatic vessels which carry the venom, aka the venom is where it is and it can't travel any further throughout the body. That's the aim of the game. You need to know here: snake, funnel web spider, mouse spider, blue-ringed octopus, cone shell, an allergic reaction to any bite or sting. Okay, that's about as basic as this comes. If you are asked a question, identify or what is the correct first aid treatment for a funnel web spider bite, you have to know straight away pressure immobilization and describe how we do that. Okay, we're going to elevate the arm if we can. We're going to put a bandage around it and we're going to bandage from the site, just say it's on my arm, and then we're going to bandage upwards. Okay, that's all you need to know there. Cold compress. I wonder if that's an American term, aka ice pack. Okay, so cold compress is usually left on for around 15 minutes, and then you need to obviously make sure that you're keeping something on there that will keep that coldness the same temperature. Don't have something on there for 10 minutes and it's not working and it's going to that lukewarm mush. You really need to make sure you've got a really good, strong ice pack there to make sure it's effective. What are we going to use it for? We've got the bee, European wasp, don't know how you tell that from an American wasp, but jokes. An ant, blue bottle. Here's important, I looked this up a fair bit. It says in all the sites and on the New South Wales ambulance page, wash it with the seawater first, okay, to try and get rid of the tentacles, and then you wash it in water as tolerably hot as you can. Tolerably, just as hot as you can stand, basically. You don't want to burn yourself. And sea anemones, okay? So you need to identify, as soon as you see any of these animals, in your head you're going, yep, ice pack, okay? That's how you're going to treat it. Then we've got vinegar. Okay, so vinegar inactivates the discharge of the lethal membranes of the box jellyfish and prevents further injection of venom. I actually can't pronounce that word, arachnid. Your guess is as good as mine, but it is an animal. Okay, so the vinegar stops that venom from spreading. Okay, that's the main thing there. It's not going to actually take away any of the pain once it's already in your system. So that's when we say down here, oh, my head's in the way. Oh, no. That's why we say you can apply dry cold may assist with the pain, so like an ice pack afterwards. Vinegar by itself is not going to take the pain away. It's just going to prevent it from getting worse. And then we've got hot water, okay, obviously as hot as we can stand, not boiling hot because we don't want to create any more issues. Stonefish, stingray, catfish, crown of thorns starfish, and a pufferfish. I wonder if you can hear that in the background. That's that new science toy being used. Okay, so do not use fresh water on a box jellyfish sting, do not use vinegar on a blue bottle sting, and do not use fresh water on the dried sting of any type of jellyfish, as it's going to cause an undischarged or nematocytes to fire. That's it in a nutshell, guys. That's all bites and stings really are. You're just going to have to start finding out little ways to remember. Maybe find an acronym for the different types of stings and to what treatment. You just need to start remembering those things. But that's it. It's nothing overly complicated. There's no trick questions. Okay, that'd probably be a fairly simplistic question if you were to be asked to write about it. That's all I have. Happy afternoon. Bye.